Enlightenment has various components. Beautiful healed relationships. This whole program is designed to reproduce the various components of enlightenment in you. First 2 days, we are going to work on your 7 energy centers. Five we will work today and tomorrow. After that, on 2 chakras, we will be working for 4 days. So first, we are going to work on your 7 energy centers. I call these energy centers as thought current centers. Please understand, each one of these energy center is certain thought current in you. You have 7 thought currents in you. 1, first and foremost, lust based, greed. Second, fear based. Third, confusion based, delusion. Fourth, attention need based, asking for others' reward and attention. Fifth, kind of a not enough. How much ever I am not enough. That low energy, that based, you have a thought trend. And sixth, ego based. Do you know who am I? If I know, why will I not tell you? Everybody carries that. Do you know who am I? And thought, the ego-based thought trend, thought current. Seventh is discontentment-based. So there are 7 major thought currents. I can say 7 major samskara patterns. The word samskara means engraved memory. Please understand. I'll be using some of the technical terms in this 21 days, but I'll never miss giving translation to you. I'll translate every technical term I use. Samskara means engraved memory. For example, every morning 7 o'clock, if you are habituated for coffee, morning 7 o'clock, you don't need to see the clock. Inside it will ring, coffee. That is samskara. If the samskara becomes more deeper, it becomes mental disorder. I call that as muscle memory. If it becomes deeper, it becomes physical disorder. I call that biomemory. Please understand. I'll give you example. Once in a while, with your colleagues, engram, muscle memory, biomemory. See, once in a while with your colleagues, friends, if you smoke, we can call that as engram. Once in a while you smoke. It's not a big problem. You enjoy. It's okay. It's an engram. Slowly, slowly, that becomes strong pattern in you. If you don't smoke, you can't handle your stress. It becomes your mind becomes dependent. Your mind is addicted. You can't be mentally relaxed, settled if you don't smoke. When you reach that level, it is called muscle memory. If you reach a level, physically smoking has become a disease, like a cancer or some other disease. Physically, it has become a suffering. It is called biomemory. How engram becomes muscle memory and biomemory. It's like a water becoming ice, ice remaining as ice for years and years and years and becoming spatika, ice stone. If a water is not flowing, if it is frozen, it becomes ice. If the ice is not melted for hundreds of years, it becomes ice stone. We call in Sanskrit spatika, ice stone. The stone minerals mixes with the ice and it never melts for hundreds of years, it becomes ice stone. So please understand, water becoming ice, ice becoming ice stone. Same way, engrams become muscle memory becomes biomemory. Samskaras, engrams originate basically conditioning and your personal experience. Engrams generate thoughts and belief systems you carry, with which you run your life. I can give you one example. When you are a child, your mother will tell you, don't go in the rain, you will catch cold. That time your lung system may not be able to handle that cold. But now, after 50 years, you still carry that pattern, that engram. You don't even need to go in the rain. If you just see raining, now your lungs capacity is different. Now your ability is different, but pattern is same. Most of your conditionings, most of your beliefs about yourself come out of your conditioning, the samskaras, engrams. One of the important thing, that is why I put this part as the first part of this whole program. First thing I am going to do is to deprogram, decondition your whole system and liberate you from millions of patterns and conditionings so that you can start experiencing connection with the higher power exists in you. The higher power which is there in all of you, you may call it God, self, soul, whatever name you want to. but connecting with that higher power and expanding your consciousness. When your life is lived with a lot of conditionings and restrictions, the suffering, the torture you go through, the suffering and torture you experience takes away the whole joy of existing. I tell you, knowing the joy of existing, knowing the joy of existence, your very existence is the essence of life. That is the essence of life. So in these 21 days, I liberate you from the various conditionings, whether it is a engram level, muscle memory level, or biomemory level. To free you from those conditionings, help you feel the joy of existence, joy of life.